Alright, they're having an eating contest here.
It's cold.
They are. It's cold, yeah, they're turning it up.
Ashland.
Here they are.
Come on, Bagels.
The eating contest. Who's going to get this?
Travis, you're disappointing everybody. Come on.
Come on, man. We thought you'd scarf that down.
Face in the lead.
You need to go to the bathroom first?
There you go.
Hold on, sit down. Up there. You can pull it towards you, Travis. Not yours.
Uh-oh. Travis is coming back.
It's freezing.
He's making a comeback. Oh, Peyton's coming. Look at Peyton.
Oh, it's a big contest here. Watermelon eating contest. Granddad already won. He already ate his.
That is funny.
Man, you guys are working awful hard.
I think Peyton and Faith.
Ouch, just hurts.
Peyton and Faith. Ashland, you don't have a chance.
Yes, she does. Go, go, go.
And you got those braces. No, do that.
I know it.
Hey, look my face back.
Dude, I can't get the.
Hey, don't make yourself sick.
I don't know if they're going to make it or not. It's like,
Complainer.
Hey, you're the same thing you are. Be free.
All right, we got to put a time limit. They will never get
Look
down
at
to it.
Paige. She's down to the
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Water juice in my
4, 3.5, 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's see.
Let's see.
Here's Travis's.
I believe John's over here.
Alright,
Ashland.
Ashland's got a pretty good amount.
Watermelon juice shoot up your
Beatty's not bad. Faith is not bad. And the winner is Granddad. And over and out. Glad you enjoyed it. I'll send the movie to all y'all. This is Shannon over here.
pretty close.
And there's Tim over here. We all witnessed it. Granddad won it. Over and out.